What's up guys, Aaron Hacks Life here, back with another video. Welcome back to the vlog. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. As you can see from the title, I have here the iPhone SE. Obviously this is an old phone, you know, like an older model phone, but it's okay, you know what I mean? Like, it's still cool, you know what I mean? A lot of people are actually downgrading to this phone, which is surprising, but I just got a new phone, so I'm upgrading to this phone since my phone actually broke and it's cracked, so I'm upgrading to this phone in this vlog. So you're gonna see me unbox this entire product right here. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe. I post all kind of videos on this channel. I post, you know, how to make money videos, and I also post meditations, you know, kind of sometimes guided, sometimes just regular meditations. You have to have a good mindset in order to make money, so that's why I post those on this channel as well. I post a lot of like financial videos on this channel, so go ahead and subscribe if you're new here. Also leave a comment below, and also like the video for the YouTube algorithm. And let's just hop straight into this. You know, I'm super excited to see how this goes, so I'm just gonna take my knife here. I'm just gonna start cutting. I'm gonna open this box up. Try not to cut myself. All right. Okay, so we're gonna cut a little sideways here. All right, I'm just gonna rip the rest open because all right, yeah. So we're just gonna rip that open, and as you can see here, this is a Boost Mobile iPhone, you know, because I have Boost Mobile, so this is a Boost Mobile iPhone. I thought that was gonna pop for some reason, but all right. So as we can see, what actually came inside of the box was literally the SIM card and the iPhone. I got the red colorway, as you can see right here, the red colorway. I'm gonna move this box out the way. So we got the red colorway, as you can see. This is a 64 gigabyte iPhone, as you can see right there, 64 gigs, and then the Boost Mobile SIM card, obviously, as we can see. So we're gonna obviously put that in the phone. This is my first iPhone SE. I guess you could say I downgraded from the 7, but I don't know if it's really downgrading, because I heard that this phone is basically remodeled after the iPhone 8. So it's like going from the iPhone 12 to the iPhone 8, but I didn't have the 12 though. You know, I had a 7, so really maybe it's just an upgrade, because this iPhone actually came out after the 7, I believe. I don't know specifically, you know, I don't really make professional unboxing videos, but if you want to see more of these type of videos, make sure, you know, to just leave a like on the video. Also let me know down in the comments if you want to see more of these, because I actually like doing these, and I can like order stuff and do unboxings and reviews and product reviews and things like that. Also sign up for Sweatcoin. If you guys are new here, you can sign up for Sweatcoin and get paid, get some cash. You know what I mean? You can sign up for Sweatcoin and get paid just for either walking or referring friends, you know, or anybody on the internet. Obviously referring people would be the best way to go, just because, you know, you'll make the most money that way. I actually made like $100 this month just on Sweatcoin alone. So you can go ahead and sign up for that in the link in the description. I think it's the first link. This is the red colorway. The reason that I wanted to get the red was because it's something different. I've always had black phones. I've always had white iPhones. So it's like the only one I never had was red. I was originally gonna try to get the iPhone 12, but I didn't end up getting that one. I just ended up, you know, kind of saving money and just going ahead and getting the iPhone SE. I'm trying not to cut myself, because this knife is, you know, this knife is actually pretty sharp. So I'm just gonna try to kind of cut this open here, get everything opened up. I think we should be able to peel it from there. All right, get that out of there. And this is the box. Feels pretty nice. I mean, pretty standard. As you can already tell, this box is definitely a lot smaller, like from the original boxes of the different iPhones, like the iPhone 7, the iPhone 12, 8, I think. The box has gotten smaller over time, as you can actually obviously see that. And you can already see here we have the brand new iPhone SE. Now, I do see a lot of, like, I watch a lot of videos with other people, you know, actually reviewing these, and in the comments a lot of people are saying that they love the SE. So I don't know. I mean, I'm not gonna make this like a super in-depth video. This is really just an unboxing, maybe a review. A lot of people, like I said, also say that they really love the iPhone SE more than even the iPhone 12 or a newer model of the iPhone. A lot of people say it's like that, but you know, we can compare it to the iPhone 6. It's basically the same size as the iPhone 6. but I definitely don't think it's like really the same, just because, you know, they say that it's basically a iPhone 8 inside of a older body or something like that. The fingerprint may be a little different too, because again guys, I'm somebody that's used to the iPhone 7, so it's like I have no knowledge as to what is different from the newer model iPhones with this one, but a lot of people compare this to an iPhone 8. That's all I know. So this is obviously it right here. This is the color. It's actually a really nice color too. You know, it's a pretty small camera compared to the newer models. Obviously, you could tell that it's like some kind of glass back here and on the back. And then here we go here. So this is how it looks in hand, as you can see. And if you're wondering why I'm upgrading from the iPhone 6, I actually am not upgrading from the iPhone 6. That's just a different phone that I'm using for the meantime, just because my phone broke, because I was actually using the iPhone 7. So that's why I'm upgrading from the iPhone 6, because I switched it over. But this is actually not my phone. This is a phone that I borrowed from someone. But this is now my phone right here. So this is definitely an upgrade from my cracked iPhone 7. So it looks pretty good though in hand. Obviously, I'm gonna take off this paper here. I'm gonna be gentle because I have a history of cracking phones. I don't know why, but ooh, that looks good. This is how it looks, kind of. Okay, this is kind of how it looks outside the little paper wrapping. You know, there's no glare. Wait, does this, one question, I guess this doesn't come with headphones, does it? It doesn't look like it comes with headphones, but it is wireless charging, I believe. It may be wireless charging. Wow, if it doesn't come with headphones, that kind of sucks. What is this? I'm not too sure what it is, but let's just see. I think it's the standard iPhone stickers. Okay, it's like your little tool to open the SIM card. All right, so no headphones comes with this phone. That's kind of sad that no headphones come with this phone, because I'm so used to actually receiving headphones with these iPhones. But as you can see, I just peeled off the paper here, and now we have the iPhone SE. Again, I know that a lot of people say that, you know, they're glad that the screen is black. I'm really used to having black screens anyway. I think they look better. I don't really care for white screens or anything like that. I never did, just because I feel like they stand out too much. But this actually looks really clean, and it's glass on the back too. Like, this is glass. This actually looks pretty clean. At first I was gonna get the iPhone 12, the green colorway, but I think this is even better, honestly. It's not that bad. Coming from my iPhone 7, not this phone here, but my iPhone 7 that's not in this room right now. And this is definitely a better, you know, definitely upgrade. Definitely for sure. It may be either the same size or maybe a little bit bigger. You can see there we have, oh, I almost dropped it. I almost dropped my phone, guys, but hey, at least I didn't. But as you see here, we have our little silent mode here where we turn on vibrate or silent. And then volume buttons here, power button here. So same standard thing, camera on the back, Apple logo, product red, and then the home button. So the home button, it feels like it may be different. Oh, it looks like this thing tracks fingerprints pretty bad too. But I'm gonna try to power it up. Let's see if it actually powers up. Okay, it's powering up. I'm gonna go through the process of actually trying to set it up real fast, and then I'll probably just come back to you guys. All right, guys, well, this is what the phone looks like when it's actually on. I may not actually show you guys what it is, you know, what it looks like when we go to the home screen. I mean, I'm sure you already know what that looks like. This was really just me unboxing the phone. So if you actually like this video, you want to see more videos like this, maybe more unboxings of different products and things like that, just go ahead and actually smash the like button. If you guys want to see more unboxing videos like this, make sure to just smash the like button, and maybe I'll do some more in the future. Also, let me know if you know, down in the comments, if you actually want more unboxing videos or review videos, product review videos. Let me know down in the comments, and also subscribe to the channel if you're new here, guys. Like I said, I post how to make money videos on this channel. Sometimes I do videos or vlogs like this, and then I also sometimes will, you know, post meditation videos just to get you guys in the right mindset to start actually making money and bringing in an income. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.